Cats make many different sounds, and one of the cutest is trilling. It's a mix of a meow and a purr, and each cat has their own unique version. There are few reasons that why your cat trill at you. Cats often trill to greet their owners or other cats, especially when you come home after work. They may run to the door and trill as a hello. Unlike trilling, meowing is usually for communication with humans. If your cat wants food, attention, or playtime, they might trill to get your attention. Like a mother cat calling her kittens, your cat uses trilling to ask for something. It's up to you to figure out what they want. Some cats trill when they are excited or surprised, like when they get a back rub from their favorite person unexpectedly. Trilling is usually a positive sound, but sometimes cats trill when they are in pain or scared. If your cat starts trilling more than usual or suddenly trills when they never did before, it could be a sign of a problem. You may want to consult your vet. A mother cat trills to encourage her kittens to follow her, and some cats use this sound with their owners too. If your cat trills, they likely want you to follow them, usually to the kitchen and their empty food bowl. A trill with affectionate rubbing and a straight tail means they are showing love, and you can pet them. If their tail swishes while trilling, they probably want to play, so grab a toy. Hot aroma cat toys are made of soft plush and baby-safe cotton, perfect for your cat to cuddle and chew. Toys help keep cats entertained and let them chase, like they would in the wild. When you move the toy, your cat can catch, chase, or jump for it, making playtime a fun bonding time for both of you. So if your cat trills, it usually means they are happy and showing love, because they like what you are doing. Lots of trilling is a good sign, and not something to worry about.